To improve the stability of the console, you can take the following measures. E. Choose strong materials. Use good quality and high-strength materials to make the operating table. R. Reasonable structural design. Ensure that the structure of the operating table is firm and the connection is tight. 3. Increase the support structure. High-strength 6063T5 aluminum profile frame system. 4. Evenly distribute weight. Avoid heavy objects concentrated in one place so that the weight is evenly distributed. 5. Regular maintenance check. Discover and handle the problems that may affect the stability in a timely manner. Kesino has been using high-strength aluminum profile frame system. Environmental protection HPL decorative panel, equipped with luminous acrylic plate, while ensuring the solid stability of the operating table. The appearance design is in line with the aesthetics of the operator.